What's up, guys? I'm out here today really early. It's about 6 in the morning. I just put in at the Gandy boat ramp, and I'm about to go do some fishing. I couldn't find anybody to come out this early with me. See, it's still like nighttime basically, and well, you gotta do what you gotta do if you want to go fishing, catch some fish, right? So I'm planning on heading out to a deep part of the bridge and dropping some big baits and hopefully catching on some big fish, hopefully some groupers or something big. I'm not trying to catch anything small today, so we'll see what we get on. Wow, so I just got to the spot, dropped the anchor, ready to go fishing, and I forgot my tackle box in the car. So now I gotta make the ride all the way back to the dock, tie up the boat, go to the car, and come all the way back out here, drop anchor. Oh my God. So much for getting here early and getting on the fish early. All right, well, here's take 2. Leaving the boat ramp again. Freaking sun's almost out basically. What a waste. What a waste. Well, still going fishing though. All right, so this is what I'm doing right here. I got my big reel, the Daiwa with a 50-pound line on it. I forgot how big this hook is, but it's a pretty big hook, and a 4-ounce weight for one of these little guys right here. I'm just gonna drop it down. Let's see what happens. That didn't work very well. He flew off the hook as soon as I threw him out. Good thing I got a whole box. Okay, so I got one line with the big herring on it, one line with a little shrimp on it, and then I'm gonna do the other one with, I'm just gonna cast out with a little lure, see what happens. All right, so I'm actually gonna move spots. There's tons of stingrays out here, look at this. There's just like a huge school of stingrays going by. I wonder if I can see them underwater, but there's tons. But just an amazing amount of stingrays. Look at that. That's amazing. They're all over the place. So I'm actually gonna pull up my big herring because I really don't want to hook up into one of those. That would suck. And I just move somewhere else. Well, I didn't have to worry about anything eating my herring because it was freaking empty when I pulled it up. I wonder what would just take it and not eat. Whatever. On to the next spot. Oh yeah, I'm hooked up. Hooked up to the herring. Or not. Am I? Am I hooked up? Yeah, I'm hooked up. For sure. Oh shit. Oh, are you kidding me right now? I mean, that's a really big catfish. Wow, that is a really big catfish actually. It's freaking huge. Look at at this thing. How big this thing is, guys. Freaking, look at that thing. It's huge. Well, not really my preferred fish, but this is a cool big one. Alright, hopefully we get some different now. Hooked up on the big pole for sure. Oh no. Whatever it was, it came off. Damn. Alright, let's see what's going on this one right here. I felt something on this one too. Oh, okay, yeah, I'm hooked up on this one for sure. Oh. Come on, bro. What is wrong with me right now? I can't hook up on anything today. Jeez. Alright, I'm not having any luck here aside from that big ass catfish. It was just one of the spots that my GPS came up with. So I tried it out. It's between Gandy and 275. It's like right in between. There's apparently there's a little reef there from old bridge rubble, but there's some other people like right on the reef, so I have to I can't get all up on them, so I'm a little bit off the reef, so I'm not really having any luck here. I'm actually gonna go back to the bridge, back to Gandy Bridge, and to one of the spots where I would go on my kayak before, where I know that I would always catch fish there, and see if I can hook up on there. On to the next. Alright, this is a spot where I used to come with Anthony. I can come kayaking in these little pylons right here. It's only 7 feet deep, but let's see if we can get on something here. I don't know. Worth a try. How do you spit it? Wow, really? Really? God damn it. Well, fellas, I think I'm gonna call it a day. Haven't had any luck. I hit a couple spots around the bridge, on some flats, over that little freaking reef. Caught that big catfish, and that's it. So I've been hanging out here with the herrings in the water, and no luck. So that's gonna be it for today. And hopefully I have better luck next time. See you guys. Thanks for watching.